Yo, what's good? It came in, okay, so it came in 2 days ago at night. And then yesterday, it rained all day. I was so eager to install this, but I don't want to make a long intro, so here's what I got. Yes, finally ordered the replacement headlights. These are from DEPO. So for the longest, I thought, DEPO, I don't know. But for the longest, I thought this brand was an OEM brand, but it's actually just a OEM replacement. So this brand is like as close as possible to OEM for my Subi. I want to install this today, and I'll explain more later on why I ordered these. But for now, let's get this installed after I'm done with work. Let's open one of them at least. Ooh, right there. Ooh, right there. Ooh. New headlights, yo. There it is. Oh, this is upside down. DEPO headlights, DEPO, whatever. And I saw on 1A Auto that there's like two different styles of this DEPO headlights. The other one had like such a reflective inside. This is more of a blacked out housing on the inside, but I don't think it's full blacked out, but it's very nice to me. Even has the amber side plates because, you know, USDM style. It comes with the high beam bulbs. Looks like the side marker bulbs, the signal light. I believe these are H7s. Okay. Yeah, nice. Looks good, man. When I install it, I want to test out these stock halogen bulbs first, the incandescents. And then I'm gonna try to install the LEDs. Taiwan. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm gonna try to install this today, right after work. Here's how it looks like as of right now. I already started it. The grill is off, a few bolts and pop clips are off. Last look at the old headlights, and these were like restored, I want to say 2 to 3 months ago, and they are already getting bad because of the age as well. Like, it just gets bad quickly after even spraying the clear on it. So I didn't really get to show much, but to take off the grill, there was a bolt and a pop clip in here. So for each side, there's two of that. I already removed the pop clips from under the bumper. There's only like a few, and they're easy to remove. Then I remove one of these bolts. It already stripped. It's a 10 mil, not stripped, but it already like snapped because it was so old. But it could come out easily. I could just pull it off. This was missing a plastic pop tab, whatever. And then I got this side as well on the driver's side, 10 mil. And I'm gonna have to take off the bumper. After maybe like 15 to 30 minutes struggling on his bumper, finally got it out. This side had a 10 millimeter, or I think 10 or 11, because it was like going back and forth. And there's a bracket to hold the fender to the bumper right behind the liner, and it was a bitch. So I had to turn the wheel out or in for the driver's side to clear and get some space. The passenger side had a nut, and I didn't realize it, like at the very top of the fender. So I was like, why is this 10 millimeter still spinning? It's because it's just spinning up there, and the nut is like holding on to that bolt. This side didn't have it, so I was like that side should be as easy, but this is actually missing a nut, which isn't a problem, but it made it easier to take this side off than the other side. The other side had a nut at the top of the bolts. So it's like this, and a nut on top of this, sandwiched in between this kind of bracket and the bumper to the fender, just behind the liner. Nasty, but I'm gonna take off the headlight bracket. One bolt here, one bolt right under there, really nasty looking, one right there, and I think two more in the front on this side, on the inside. This, and one of them are missing, bracket back here, right there. There it is, a snap bolt for the bracket. Not a problem, to be honest, but man, rusty ass dirty bolts, easily snapped. There it is, got them in. Now I can finally take out the wrap. Alright, let me turn the lights to see how it looks like on camera. There it is. These are currently LEDs, like 5,000K. May need to adjust it, of course. Probably had to raise both sides up. Okay, here's how it looks at night. Definitely brighter, but it definitely needs an adjustment. Maybe I need to seat the LED bulbs a bit better. But I drove earlier tonight, like before this, and I could see actually pretty damn well, like significantly better. So now these LEDs are putting work. But as you can see, this weird shadows here. This is the passenger side and the driver's side. I think I gotta mess around with the adjustment. I might wanna bring the headlights higher, but this is actually kind of high enough. I think the passenger side is raised up higher than the driver's side, and maybe I gotta turn the bulbs a bit to like get a better cutoff and have them seated properly. But I think I want to go with HID bulbs next, and they look beautiful. These headlights look beautiful. Yo, forgot to make a outro. Today is like the day after I finished the install for the DEPO headlights, and I'm very satisfied with them. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys learned something from this. Until next time, maybe I'll do a quick video on the HID install. Alright, peace.